So hello everyone and welcome to Sanskrit Karyashala, and I am back with one more topic and an interesting video. So it would be very interesting for you all as it is very relatable topic and most requested also by many of you. So please be till end, like, share and subscribe. Today I don't want to extend the video too much. So basically with starting with this topic, Vibhakti Mala. Vibhakti Mala is from 8th standard Maharashtra State Board textbook. Now that we have learned entirely everything about tables, Vibhakti, verb formation, everything we have learned. Now we will start with Vibhakti Mala, which makes the use of certain Vibhakti in order to complete the shloka, and further it makes the use of Vibhakti and enhances our grammar part. Now this Vibhakti Mala is made up of 9 shlokas, in from which we are going to discover today 4. Because I do not extend the video too much and hence I'm limiting myself in this video, and second part will also come very soon. Now in this 4 shloka, I had tried to give you most of the explanation, but if anything remains, please comment me. Let's start with the first one. First, dharmo jayati na dharmah, satyam jayati na nrutam, kshama jayati na krodho, devo jayati na surah. Prathama. Prathama means it makes the use of Prathama Vibhakti, and I'll tell you where they are. Dharmo, first of all, let's see Sandhi. Dharmo Jayati is Dharma plus Jayati. Here add plus sign I had not given, by the way. Now don't go deep into how did this occur. Just remember this because it comes in exam many times. Na dharmaha, na plus adharmaha, na nrutam, na plus anrutam, na krodho, na plus krodha, devo jayati, devah plus jayati, nasurah, na plus asurah. Now this translation part I will not explain because the video is in front of you and you can take anytime a screenshot. So I'll not go this. I'll just explain what is. Dharmo jayati. Dharmo means righteousness. uh, हम देखते हैं कि जो अच्छी चीजें हैं, जयति 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 is used 4 times and it is dhatu is ji jaya. Okay, first class. So that is also grammar part. See, dharmo, nadharmah, satyam, anrutam, नाधर्म नहीं, अधर्म, धर्म, अनृतम, सत्यम, देव, असुर. These all words are in the prathama vibhakti. Okay, this was for the grammar part. Now we will learn about the meaning. What it says that righteousness is always victorious over unrighteousness. We have seen in our history that righteousness means अच्छे लोग, they're always ahead and in a good path than the bad people, and they always win over them. हमने ऐसा कभी नहीं देखा कि रावण has killed Ram. We have always seen that Ram is victorious over Ravan, who wanted to fell unrightness over his people. Then next is Satyam Jayati Na Nrutam. Na Nrutam. Satyam means truth. Whenever we say truth, then we are on the foremost top of the world. Nobody can beat us. We are always truth. In Marathi, there is one saying, Kar nahi tela dar kashala. If you are not done anything, then why are you saying false? We are always confident when we say truth. And anrutam means false, jhuti cheeze, they never win. Always we have seen that truth wins over false. Then further, क्षमा जयति न क्रोधो. क्षमा मीन्स किसी को क्षमा कर देना, किसी को माफ करना. इफ आपके छोटे भाई ने आपको कुछ गलती की और आपको मारा, आपका कुछ छीन लिया, देन यू शुड फॉरगिव हिम. एक बार फॉरगिव करो, 2 बार करो, तीसरी बार उसको वार्निंग दे दो. बट गुस्सा करोगे तो उसके मन में आपकी गलत इंप्रेशन पड़ जाएगी. ही विल थिंक दैट हु आर यू टू स्कोल्ड मी, and it may create a ridge between you and your brother. So it is always said that forgiving wins over the anger, and the Devo Jayati Nasuraha. Devaha Jayati means God, Almighty. Almighty has always won over the demons. We have never seen the demons win. Yeah, sometimes they are trying to snatch the kingdoms, trying to snatch the powers of gods, but they never win because it is the righteousness is always wins over unrighteousness, and our gods follow the path of righteousness. This was only the entirely for the shloka. I hope you have understood everything about first one. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comments. Now let's start with the second one. Now, I'll read first of all. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. First of all, we will take about grammar part. Dvitiya. Dvitiya means Dvitiya Vibhakti. So, Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Jagadgurum. All these words are in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay. Now, Vande is a Kriyapad verb. It is Atmanepad verb. It is not now. Okay. Now, that and in this shloka there is no Sandhi, and it is also very easy to understand. As Krishna, Lord Krishna, is been given the qualities, different qualities, and he's expressed in a very better way in the front of people. Okay, I'll read it. Vasudeva Sutam means who is the son of Vasudeva. Sutam, Sut we have learned. Sut, matlab good boy, good progeny, like that. Vasudev was the father of Krishna, who is husband of Devaki also. Vasudeva Sutam, वसुदेव के जो सूत है, मतलब कौन, कृष्ण देव. देवम, देवम मीन्स गॉड. कंस चाणूर मर्दनम. अब दो डेमन्स थे, कंस और चाणूर. वी हैव मोस्टली हर्ड अबाउट कंस वाज हिज maternal uncle, and Chanura was also a demon who were killed. Mardana means killer, but it's not in a good way. Killer word is not itself in a good way, but we have to take it because it's language. Who is the killer of the demons? Kamsa and Chanura. Devaki Param Anandam. Who is the foremost happiness of Devaki? Devaki, who was the mother of Lord Krishna. We have learned about many stories of Krishna, Devaki, and Krishna was the most, you know, uh, foremost happiness as well of Devaki as well as Vasudeva. It is as described in the shloka. Then Krishna is the Lord, name of the Lord itself. Vande means I salute or I respect. Jagat Gurum, who is the preceptor of the entire world. Guru means not here teacher, it's preceptor. Okay, I'll read the translation. I salute to that Lord Krishna. See, from exam point of view, all these things means proper noun should be written in Devanagari script only, or else here half to 1 mark may be deducted, which I had also experienced. Krishna, who is son of Vasudeva, father of Krishna, or husband of Devaki, it should be Devaki, like I am writing on the screen. If you can notice it, it's in a bad handwriting, but for okay. Devaki, destroyer of demons, Kamsa and Chanura. Destroyer is a good word, or killer also will do. The foremost happiness of Devaki and the preceptor of the entire world. Simple shloka but conveys a great meaning. Now let's start with the third one. I'll read it. Kavya Shastra Vinodena Kalo Gachati Dhimatam Vasanena Tumurkhanam Nidraya Kalahenava Tritiya. Now what are the words in Tritiya over here? Kavya Shastra Vinodena, then Vyasanena, Nidraya, Kalahena. Nidra itself is only like Mala, all others are like Deva. Okay? Deva or Vana. I'm not confirm about everybody. Then the three verbs are Gachati, that's it. Gachati means goes. Now it's very familiar to all of us, right? Now I'll give you the explanation. Kavya Shastra Vinodena. By the help of Kavya, Shastra and Vinodena. Kavya means poetry. Shastra means it's not physiology or psychology. It's uh, Shastra means letters, words, many things. Vinodena and happy. Vinod means here happiness we can take. The time of intellectuals means uh, intellectual people means अच्छे लोगों का समय go passes away with amusements in poetic precepts. काव्य शास्त्र और विनोदों से अच्छे और भले लोगों का टाइम आराम से पास होता है. धीमता means easily as well as uh, smoothly we can say. अच्छा, good, well. व्यसनेन तो मूर्खाणा. मूर्ख मतलब फूल्स. आपने देखा होगा कि कुछ है ना, जिन्होंने अपनी पढ़ाई छोड़ दी, अपने पेरेंट्स को इज्जत नहीं करते. आई हैव सीन मेनी ऑफ देम पीपल, they pass their time in vyasana means addictions to alcohol, cigarettes, etc. Nidraya by sleeping, and uh, by coral. See, these people are not. We cannot say that that is their fault. It is because of their family background or their ignorance towards it. But if you want to, they see this shloka also depicts us that if we want to improve, then we should change our these three qualities into these one. Kavya Shastra Vinoda. Kavya Shastra Vinoda. See, these temporary happiness things are there. Vyasana, sleep, and corals. That's it. I hope you must have understood this slow. Now let us start with the next one. I read it. Vidya vivadaya dhanam madaya khalasya shakti tarapीडनाय साधोस्तु सर्वं विपरीतमेतत् ज्ञानाय दानाय च रक्षणाय. I'll underline the words of Chaturthi Vibhakti first. विवादाय धनम मदाय परपीडनाय ज्ञानाय दानाय रक्षणाय. These question is asked, so people please concentrate. Then sandhi sadhostu sadhu ho tu vipritam etat vipritam plus etat. This is also asked. Grammar and shakti means takad, and here verbs are, I think here there are no verbs. It's a hidden verb known as asti. Okay, means is. Now I'll start with explanation. Vidya vivada. Vidya means knowledge. Vivadaya means to quarrel. Dhanam madaya. Dhana, money is for egoistic action. Shakti khalasya. Khalasya means of fools and of demon mentality people. For them, their knowledge is for quarreling, money is for egoistic action, and their strength is for troubling others. Para means others. पीड़नाय टू ट्रबल. किसी हमने देखा होगा ना कि जो बड़े होते हैं घर के, हमेशा वो मतलब ये अभी तो मेंटालिटी चेंज हुई, बट इन ओल्डन टाइम्स इट इज टू बी दैट वुमेन वेर हैरास्ड बाय द नॉलेज ऑफ बिगर पीपल, their strength as well as their money. Sadhu people. Sadhu means good people, and good people only we can take. Sadhu hotu, of sadhu. Vipreetam etat means all these things are vipreeta, exact opposite. Jnanaya, Danaya. So Vidya is Jnanaya. See, we can see that the knowledge of great people or virtuous people is only for giving to others. They will never think that what I will do to by giving them knowledge, nothing will happen and all. No, they don't think in the way. Vidya is for Danaya, Dhanam is for Danaya. Money is only for donation. They don't keep storage of excessive money and just increase their wealth in nonsense acts. Shakti Rakshanaya. See, we have seen our police force, navy force. They have their strength, and that they use only for the protection of the country as well as the people residing in India. What can they do? If they don't had to use their power, they could have destroyed the people. But no, they are very good people we see in today's times, and they are also very helpful. I'll read the entire translation once. The knowledge of bad people is for quarreling, and their money is for egoistic action, and strength is for troubling others. For good people, everything among this is exactly opposite. They use knowledge for giving to others, money for donation, and strength for protecting others. So ये है वो 8th standard की textbook का cover, in which I had from which I had took the shloka. I'll show that page also. Okay, see this Vibhakti Mala. So this deals with all these 9 shlokas. So from this we had completed till this fourth one. In next video we'll start from fifth till ninth. Now I had to also start with exercises, but maybe the video may become too lengthy, so I'm stopping till now. If I'll get a comment or something more likes, then we'll surely do with the exercise. And next part will come very soon. So stay tuned. Once I'll get the satisfactory number of views, then surely the next part will come. So till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, stay happy, and please be aware of the uh, everything going on near you, and take medicines and all our time. And I'll meet you very soon in this month only.